ICS Trades 101. This is Cameron Simpson. How are you today? Awesome day so far. Okay, I'm just going to set some stuff up here like I always do, and then we're going to jump right on in here. Okay? Just give me a minute here. Good morning, everybody. Let's just get this stuff all set up here. Okay, we got that. We just got to set up Twitter here. Twitski. Okay, so let's have a look here at AMC. Oh wow, it's come up a bit in pre-market. When I woke up about half an hour, 45 minutes ago here, AMC was it was negative like 5%. Okay, so we're covering ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings. It's at market closing. It was at 49.34. We're sitting at, which we took a bit of a hit. We got schwacked. It was a little red market yesterday. We are at down 10.37 in the red. So we're currently at negative 1.91. Okay, we can work with that. That's easy to pull out of. As we know, right? We've done it before. Easy to pull out of. I'm just going to take some coffee, wake up here a bit, and wait for some people to get online here. And then we're going to start blasting through stuff here. I am missing my... Oh, there it is. I got to have my morning vape or else it just don't work for us. Get some fresh air in here. Okay? So, we're going to jump on in here. So I'm going to draw some trend lines this morning. No news has come out. No news is good news, right? You ever heard that saying? It's a good saying. It's true. So we're going to draw a horizontal trend line here. Let's get things rolling. We're going to put one up here for you guys during the market so you guys can refer back to this. As I'm not going to be here, I'm heading to work. That's why we're on early this morning, okay? This is the new norm. This is the new frigging norm. So, Nico, how you doing this morning, buddy? The Friday 11 thoughts. Are you giving? You're not giving me financial advice, just an opinion. That's correct. You're catching on, Nico. So how you doing, bud? I'm doing pretty good. 55, 60. I can see that happening today. Actually, today is it's Thursday, right? Yeah, it is. Sorry, I just messed up day. It's been a busy week. Like for me, so with this new job and everything, but everything's working out good. I'm not complaining. Life's good. It's beautiful life. So yeah, I do see it hitting that range today. Okay, Nico. Yeah, I do definitely. And everybody else on Reddit. We'll go through this: Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm missing somebody else. Instagram. Okay, as you know, the chats aren't all hooked together. We are solo on YouTube. Okay, we are the soldiers on this end. Okay, we're the typing soldiers. So, anyways, we're gonna pop these other. I'm gonna pop this other line off here, and we're gonna go through a couple things. Yeah, I do like my new job, man. It's a really good job. I do like it. A lot of safety stuff, though. Holy crap! But it's worth it. It's worth it. There's nothing wrong with safety. Okay, so let's try to pop this trend off here. This trend line. I'm going to pop this off here. Just because it's old news is gold news, right? So I'm actually going to move this trend line because it's traded. We're going to move that. We're going to put that a new one up here too. We're going to put up a support line. We're going to put up a horizontal support line for you guys here. Okay, whoops. That's not what I wanted. There it is right there. These things are touchy, eh? So, horizontal trend line. So we're going to blow out here, and I'm going to touch. It's around this line here. I don't like that one. Okay, what are we working with here? A lot of things happened yesterday. Yeah, this isn't weird. This is weird action here. We're going to throw one right here. So everybody else that comes on here, This is the support. This is our new support level. This is our new resistance level. Okay. And Nico, you work at a giant trauma center. I'm still waking up, man. I can't even say that. Giant trauma center. Holy crap. Good for you. So you're like right in the. Well, I guess trauma center wouldn't be COVID, unless if you're dying or whatever with COVID. But I guess that trickles over too, eh? And with the COVID and stuff. Good for you, man. You're a frontline worker then, right? So, Nico, you probably have some questions for me. Fire away, bud. We only got limited time this morning. We got about 15 minutes, and then we're just gonna power in the OR. So we're gonna power through this, okay? And the floor is all yours, dude. There'll be a couple more people. We got 3 people on here right now, but some people just like to kick back and listen to it as they're getting ready for work, right? Just like to listen to my voice and talk about stuff. So I'm just going to blast through some things here while you can, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to go over some ticker symbols here. Okay, we already covered AMC. I'm going to go through GME. Okay, GME, GameStop. Okay, closed at $302.56, so $302.56. It actually closed, which is beautiful stuff, a little bit in the green. We'll take what we can get, right, nowadays. So 85%. Okay. After hours, it 222.66. Okay, it's actually down 6.58% right now. Okay. I'm actually going to draw a trend line on this too, just so we can keep track of this over time. Okay, we just want to keep over time and see what happens here. So we're going to put that line right here. I just want to put that so when we come back tomorrow, we get to see, we can do, when in doubt, you always pull out on a screen, okay? Then you can see what it looks like, right? So you put it on the 30-minute, and then you just pull yourself out like this. And because sometimes you get discouraged, right? Especially in the stock market. You get discouraged. I used to anyways. Until I started doing the pull-out thing. I started noticing that, hey, man, we're covering a lot. They're saying that we went up like 300-400%, but it don't feel like it. You pull back and you're like, holy crap. That is crazy stuff, man. Look how much we've done. Look how far we've gone, right? So that's what you do. When in doubt, pull out, okay, on the screen. That sounds that could be taken a different way. But anyways, let's not even go there. That's crazy stuff, but I just wanted to say congrats everybody that's just jumping on right now. I see some more people jumping on. We're gonna be slamming through this stuff this morning. I'm just gonna read the chats here. If you see me looking to the left, I'm not ignoring you on the camera. We did get we got a new laptop now. This is the second one. We keep on frying them out here. There's too much. You need gaming laptops for this stuff, eh? You got multiple stuff. We got scanners. We got chat bars. We got chat lines. We got servers. Everything's hooked up. Everything's running full speed ahead. So anyways, I'm just going to read off of some chat here. You guys probably already see it. In your opinion, what would 55 to 60 be? In your opinion, would 55 or 60 better than 60? You're talking like what we're going to get on AMC today? We'll go back over there, guys. How did I get another trend? Oh, yeah. Oh, I know what it is. It's an old chart. Okay, we're going to put it back on the 1 minute here. I know what I got going on there. Yes, okay. Alienware. Yeah. I don't have Alienware. I buy power. And I have an HP Nvidia GeForce GTX laptop. 4K laptop. I just got it like 2 days ago. But, okay, you're asking... Oh, that's your name is John? Okay, that's just your email. Okay, John, I'll try to remember that. As you look how many subs I have, dude. And I'd say about a quarter of them talk to me like constantly through my email, through on the chat bar, through Twitter. You can join all the Discord. You can join that Discord thing there. It's Wall Street Breakers. There's a code down below, guys. You go there and just say you're with the Wolf Pack. You get VIP service from the guy on there. There'll be a mod, PV, that comes on there. He's awesome. And you just say, "Hey man, I'm just here from Cameron from Wall Street Breakers sent me," and it's getting huge. Like the Reddit thing is like 6,000 members now, and I think he has like 800 to 1,000 on the line. So you have a question, 55 or 60? I think about 55. I don't want to get too greedy on this, okay? Because we have a lot of shenanigans. Like, look at what happened here. Like, this whole section here is not good, right? Something happened. We tried recovering in here, and we just got schwacked. Like, those are huge orders, man. Like, look at that. We're at million and a half, too. That's crazy stuff. Like, seriously. And even back here, like, look at this, look at it, like, bloodbath. Like, it's just crazy. So, anyways, but like I said, zoom out on this, and we'll put it on the 30-minute, and we're going to zoom right out here. Look at that. Pretty good, though, right? I forget where we're at, but I think we're at, I'd have to look on my phone on my, on how much, like, on my, how much money I bought into the stock. I think the Wolfpack is still up $88,000, like our account. Like, it's not my money. This is your guys' money. This is your guys' money, not my money. So let's check Yahoo Finance. They're just, $75,831. That's Wolfpack's money. So what I do is with that money, is it goes to donations. A majority of it goes to donations. Like we will be doing live giving away stuff. As soon as we do the cash out or the squeeze happens all over kit and caboodle, right? We'll be going around with the phone, and I'll probably get somebody to probably get my wife, and we're gonna fill my truck up with all dog food. And we're gonna take it to the lowest animal society that has no money. We're gonna look around to see what one's actually like on the verge of closing and stuff. There's so much of that happening right now. And we're just gonna go dump like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of food there. I just want to see the look on their faces because they're not used to that, right? So that's what I'm doing with it. And call options, you doing 2,000 input right now on putting on call options today? Today would be a good day to do it, right? But what are you thinking for that one, John? 55. I would say the 55. It would be safer because the past history, and we are getting schwacked, man. Like it's who knows? Like the thing with this. A lot of people are losing money on call options. A lot of people are making money on call options. You know what I mean? Because you can't. It's like you might as well just grab darts. You know the dartboard. You might as well just grab a dart, close your eyes, and throw it at a dartboard. If it hits the dartboard, you're in. If it hits the wall, you're out. That's how this is. It's very versatile stock right now. But John, I'm going to jump around here. I'm just going to cover a couple other things in pre-market because we only got another 9 minutes here. Okay, so market closed. I'm going to cover Doge. I'm just going to read it. It's at 0.33. We're at 0.87 in the minus. It is pretty much just stable. It's banging around that area. It keeps on going up to about 38, and then back down to 31. So that'd be perfect to paper hand, but I'd watch myself on that because these hedge funds are liquidating. That's why it's so cheap. Notice what it's gone down. It's slumping more and more and more crypto. It's because like it's 50. Yeah, it's almost down 20 grand Bitcoin, close to it, 15G, give or take. The thing is what's happening is they're liquidating their Bitcoin to cover their call options and expiring their short positions on these meme stocks. Okay, so just be careful because when things get crazy, the bit market, this is just my opinion, I think it's going to crash really good. Like it's not completely where it's not worth anything, but I think it's going to bleed big time. Okay. So, I'm not going to pull that one up. We are going to pull up MVIS, MicroVision. Okay, so we already got some lines set up here. We're going to pull these trend lines off. We're going to put some new lines on here for today. Yeah, they don't mean anything anymore. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set you guys up, the guys on MicroVision, because I know everybody throughout the day logs onto the channel. Not everybody, but you know what I mean. They use it as a guideline, which is awesome stuff. And why are you messing with me this morning? It's too early. Ah! Why are you messing with me? You. Oh, I know why. Because I'm being an idiot. I'm being an idiot and I didn't put it on the proper chart here. Holy crap! Oh, you guys got schwacked. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, there's horizontal trend line at $22.05. You have to remember, these are just CS Trades 101's trend lines. I don't give a crap what everybody else does. I do my own DD. I don't verbatim other charts. I don't even listen to the Weeble because I've caught them in lies. They just this is computer animated stuff. It just picks out what it is. I don't know. I just don't agree on that, man. I can find it's so easy to do. Like anybody can do it. There's one right there. So there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably not the best trend line. That one would have been right there. No, about the same. So anyways, support line. Trend line. Okay? That'll be your support line. That'll be your resistance line for MVIS today. So anyways, we're going to MVIS is at $21.25. Took a negative hit of 4.49% in the red in normal hours. But it is coming. It actually took another hit after hours. It's not that bad. We can easily pull out of this one. It's at $20.65. We're at 2.82 in the red right now. But like I said, that can adjust itself within minutes when the stock market opens. Okay, guys. Smoke break. Oh, okay. So what else we're going to do here is we are going to check out. Let's check out some other stuff. Hey, John, do you have anything that you want me to check out? You got about 3 minutes here, my friend. I'm just going to jump on some BlackBerry. It took a bit of a hit. It got schwacked yesterday, too. The whole market tanked near the end of the day. It was weird. It's like everybody covered their positions and pulled out and backed off. And then the hedgies and all these big firms just jumped in and started just hammering, okay? Right after lunch. Okay, John, sundial. Okay, I'll do it after this. Okay, BlackBerry is at ticker symbol BB and at $18.30. It took a negative 4.19% in the red and then market closed. Okay, and then it doesn't run pre-market. Okay, it doesn't run after hours, this one. This is a Canadian stock. It does it not. Okay, sundial. Sundialage. Actually, we're going to put this on the 30-minute. Because sundial charges in small chunks. So, anyways, sundial. We're actually going to put a trend line up here. I like this one actually. If you're going to buy a cannabis marijuana stock, you want to buy this one. Okay, this one has a lot of good stuff. So what I'm going to put one of you're kind of wondering, what is he putting one right here? But I'm putting one right there because up here there's no touch points. I could put one right there. But this is more of a better line because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points. So that is a pretty good point there, right? It is, and I'm gonna put one down on the lower end for you guys too for today. I just like doing this. Like I said, it helps you guys out. Okay, I say that this one, because you got back here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touch points. That would be your line of support, guys. Okay, you got your line of support, and then we got to smash through the line of resistance, and that comes your line of support. So that'll leave you guys with sundial on that. It traded. That's ticker symbol SNDL. That's Sundial Growers Inc. They're out of Canada. They're 100. They were 1.14, and it closed at 1.72 in the red. They're actually par right now. It didn't do anything. It's just sitting neutral right now. Okay, so we got one more thing to do. Okay, you got John. You got blocked for saying a swear. I can still see it, but it's not that bad of a swear. We're gonna unlock that. There you go. I unlocked it for you, bud. I override YouTube for you. Clove got smashed. Did they? I'm curious on this one. Oh, did they ever? I warned the guys about this. It's a pump and dump. Definitely. And if anybody's in on this, I warned you to pull your position. I did it in a nice way. I know a lot of people are upset about it, but this channel is about watching your money, making money, and try to minimize losing money. We're not all in like memes. We're not all in full bore ahead. We actually have trading experience here. We do trade. We don't just run in, pump, dump, and lose money and maybe make money. That's not what this channel is about. It's a family channel. Okay, we try to protect everybody. If we see signs coming up, we get members on here. Sorry about the word. No, don't complain about that. No. I just said that's nothing. There's a mod on here that works for YouTube. It's not my mod. I can set up my own mods to do that. I don't have any mods on there. They have their own mod because kids might be in the background with their parents. Like I say stuff all the time and I'll swear. I have it unlocked for adults only, but I have to watch my language too, just out of respect, because a lot of parents are getting their kids ready for school and stuff, and I'm on here, right? Okay, guys, I got to get going here. I got to go to work. Are you in North Carolina? No, I'm not. I'm in Vancouver, Canada, buddy. I'm up here in Canada, but I do trading all over, buddy. Like I trade stocks in the States, up in Canada. It's nice being up in Canada and the States. You get to do both ends of it, right? Instead of just being locked in one country. See, American, when you're down in the States and you buy Canadian stocks, they're cheaper, right? And it's just it's better that way. The other way around, it's harder to do. You know what I mean? So I like the American buying the Canadian stuff. It just works out really, really good. I hope everything just goes good for you guys. California State Wolf Pack. Oh, that's why you said that. No. I just picked the Wolf Pack because there's a lot of native stuff up here, and the Wolf Pack, it's kind of like a native thing. But we're this Wolf Pack. We are the Pacific region for Canada. We look after all the Reddit stuff up here. We look after all like Reddit Wall Street Breakers. We look after all the Canada stuff. And then there's like a bunch, 4 or 5 good channels down in the States. They don't have that much good stuff up here. So that's why I started this channel 50 days ago. We're young, man. But I've been trading for a substantial amount of time though. I'm just not a ticketed broker. So that's why I have to say it. And thank you for reminding me. I'm not a broker or financial advisor. It's all to entertainment purposes. So I'm going to leave that with you guys. If you are new to the channel, you can hit the sub button down below. Enjoy. We're here every morning at the same time, like we always are about that time. And I want you guys to have a beautiful day. This is a beautiful day. We're going to do good today. Actually, this thing just changed in front of me to the green. Let's have a quick look over at our little baby over here. It's gone up a little bit. So I'm very confident that we're going to do all right today on this. I don't know. I don't like to predict numbers because I don't like to be wrong for one thing. That's a joke. But I just don't like to put karma out there, and I don't like to upsetting anybody. So I told you guys right from the beginning, weeks and weeks ago, this is going to be a hell of a good ride. Okay, it's going to get very violent. Okay, you're going to see a lot of up and down action. Okay, guys. Okay, and I'll see you later. And yeah. So yeah, check out the links down below. There's a lot of good stuff. And that's all I'm going to say. I'm out of here. So this is Cameron at CS Trades 101. I'm out of here. And John, see you later. And Tommy, tanking art stocks is going to fly up. Yes, it could. Tommy, come join here. Hit the sub button down below. Bud, I haven't seen you here before. Hit the sub button and come see me tomorrow morning. I'll be on at this time. John will be on here, which is Nico. That's just his email. This group's is starting to grow. We're a family. We just started. So come join the family. I have to head to work, guys. I'm over and out. Have a good one.